Gotta catch another flight. What up, Twin? How you doing? Ikaw kumakain ka na? How about you? You good, you straight? YouTube!
Hands to this bitch if you gang. Bang, I don't give a fuck if we don't bang the same thing.
What up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Megan Martrava with another vlog. What up, y'all? Oh my god. Today is Tuesday, y'all. Wait. Someone message me. So yeah, today is Tuesday. And wala pa rin yung magkakakat ng trash can. It's already 1 p.m. But yeah, ito yung mga nandito pa rin. Ito pa rin yung mga damit ko, pero kukunin muna natin sila. Pero hindi muna natin tiklipin night. What the fuck? Wait. Naririnig ka na. Narinig niya yung busina. Yan na yan. Yan na yung garbage. Yan na yung garbage truck. Narinig niya yung busina yan? Wait. I think marami pa dito. Marami pa to. Oh no, bago. So, inayos na pala ni Lola kanina bago siya umalis. Bago siya pumunta sa bahay nila. So, ilalabas na lang natin yung mga... What the fuck? Biglang dumating? Damn. Inayos na pala ni Lola lahat kasi lalabas ko na lang. And then ngayon si Lola nandun sa kabilang bahay, sa bahay niya. Oops, may daso. Baka makawala. Oh, Hindi ko kayo habulin. Bahala kayo. Maliligaw kayo. Huwag kayong lalabas. Hindi ko kayo habulin. I'm warning y'all. Right? I'm warning y'all. Huwag kayong lumabas. Hindi ko kayo habulin. And then we have one more garbage bag. There we go. So, check nyo tong angle na to pag nagpa-vlog ako. Okay ba yung ganito? Para hindi tayo naka 0.5 palagi, para hindi lumalabo yung cam natin. Yung ganitong angle. Yeah, I think this is right. But, kukunin mo lang ito lahat. Tika may labakan daw yung lamok. Kita nyo ba? Ito yung mga white shirt natin. Wala namang mancha. Ito yung white shirt na namansyahan. And okay naman siya. Nababad ko na isang araw. Yan naman siya ng chocolate chip. I think ipapasok ko na to sa kwarto lahat. Lahat na to. Kasi package deal na. Papagpag lang natin. And then, hindi ko matitiklopin yung ibang nilaban natin kasi... Bakit nga ba? Kasi kakain ako ng lunch muna. Hindi pa ako makain ng lunch. Ano oras na? Magto 2 p.m. na. Hindi pa ako makain ng lunch. Now, see that? Real structure. You only got plain shit. All plain. Wala kang may kitang may design dyan. I mean, ito may design. Of course, it's Lacoste. But yeah, all of my tees are plain. Tired shit. So yeah. Kakain muna ako ng lunch. And then, yeah, makamak tayo later, right? And then, yung ulam ko pala, ito! Oh my God! What the hell? So yeah, bago umalis yung lala ko kanina, ginawa na niya lahat sa bahay. Oh my God! Feeling ko tuloy wala akong kwenta dito sa bahay. But, yeah, kasi late ako nagigising. But, yeah, mabawi tayo kay Lola. Mabawi tayo, right? So yes, structured na ako. May ulam na ako. May rice din dito. Yung rice na kagabi. Natira. And then yeah, kakain na ako ng lunch. Ako. I'm back to alright? Don't worry at. Where the fuck is the other dog? Oh, there you is. How about Dobo? Dobo! Oh, yeah, okay. She said she good. She waving his tails. Okay. You good? Wave your tail. Okay, you're good. How about you two? You good? Okay, Dobo. Yeah, she said she good. Oh my god, I'm a fur dad now, y'all. I'm a fur dad. I'm a legit fur dad. But yeah, amen, di ko pa natitiklop yung damit ko. Pero may iba tayong gagawin. You all know that may balon kami, right? Meron kaming big ass balon. So, nag-iipon kami ng tubig galing sa ulan doon. Hindi lang nakasaksak yung isang hose. Kaya pag umuulan, dito matapon yung tubig sa balon. How you doing? You good? You straight? You still got water? Okay. You still got water. You fine. Ito yung balon namin. You see? See that shit? You see kung gaano kadumi yan? Nakita niya? And that's big as hell. You see that? Kita niyo kung gaano kalaki yan? Yung balon para sa tubig yan. And ginagamit lang yung tubig na yan na pang shit lang. Kunwari magdidilig lang ng halaman, something like that. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. See that? Papalitan lang natin ito ng clam. Wikadashi structured. Malinis din siya. That's structured. You kissing? Oh, I got you. Huli ko siya, Kiss ka pa dyan, You kissing bitches? The hell? What the hell yun? What the hell yan, te? What the hell? Nasaan na yung garbage truck? Where them garbage truck at? What the fuck? Where y'all at? Supposed to get this bit. Hindi nila kinuha. Hindi pa sila dumadaan. Hindi pa sila dumadaan kasi andun pa yan sa kapitbahay. You see that? You see that blue and pink? Andun pa yung basura nila. So, hindi pa kinukuha. But yeah, we're back here. Gonna get all of this shit. Ooh, get up. Mosquito. Kasi natin mga lamok. How's my boxers? You good? You straight? Masyado siyang marami. Masyadong marami. Nakakangawit pala yung ganitong hawak sa camera. What the fuck? Sa phone. Yung ganitong angle. Oh my god. Kasi ngayong araw ko lang ito ginawa. Yung ganitong fully stretch yung arm. Kaya pala, pag tinitignan ko yung vlog ng iba, nakikita ko sobrang linaw ng kanila. And then pag pinanood ko yung vlog ko, ang labo ng akin. Yun pala, pag naka 0.5, lumalabo talaga yung camera niya. Something like that. So, and then, ang iniisip ko rin naman, bakit parang ang wide ng video nila kahit hindi naka 0.5? So, ganito pala yung ginagawa nila, ganito kalayo. But, oh my God, nakakangakit pala yung ganito kalayo. Like, fully stretched talaga yung arms. Pero malinaw yung cam. Tayo siya, raramusin kasi 1x lang. So, yeah, sasanayin ko na yung sarili ko na ganitong vlog gagawin ko. I mean, ganitong angle yung gagawin ko. Tayo shit, medyo naka-bench siya konti, pero yan. Di ba? Parang medyo wide yung shit. Para hindi na Para hindi nababawasan yung quality ng vid. Tayo shit. Hindi ko na kailangan mag 0.5. Kasi pag 0.5 wait, let me show you, right? Boogs! 0.5, yeah, that's a 0.5. Pero malabo, right? Malabo siya. Pero let me 1x my shit. Boom! May all see that shit? Kita niyo yung pinagkaiba ng quality ng pag naka 0.5 yung vid and pag naka 1x lang. But yeah, I'm yapping too much, y'all. Wait. Iniisip ko pa naman na naka-camera sila kaya ganun kalinaw yung ano nila. Yun pala naka 1x lang yung phone nila, hindi naka 0.5. And then naka fully stretch lang yung arms kaya nagmumukhang wide lang yun. Ha? Kasi malayo sila. Malayo yung phone. Tasha. Wait, ikaw ito sa kanto eh. I need to go big for my kids, you can hear it in my song. Oh, 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 oh. Damn! Who wants smoke with me? Who wants smoke with me? Oh my god, ano rin? Hindi na ata pupunta yung mga garbage collector. But right now, papunta ka sa lola. Sunduin natin yung lola kaya. And I have this shit with me. Kasi kailangan ka ng malaking taba yun. Yun nga, papasok ka na muna siya. Muna natin ulit. Dahil na-scam tayo ng garbage collector. Oh my gosh! Oh my! What the fuck? Nakalimutan ko yung aso. What the fuck? Oh my god, oh my god. Nahuli ko yung oh, what the fuck? Oh my fucking god. Pasok, hindi ko kayo habulin. Pag ayaw nyo pumasok, mawawala kayo. Oh fuck, no, 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 no. Pag hindi kayo pumasok, mawawala kayo. Charlie! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Sit your ass down. Let's go. Ah, oh my god. Fuck these dogs, yo. Oh my god. You didn't sign up for these dogs. Now where's the other shit? Baka na-raid na siya. Baka nagambang na siya. Ang daming aso, nagambang na siya. Ano sa isang aso? Where are the dog at? Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh, why is following me? Why is he following me? Why is he following me? Wala po dyan ate. Wala po. Where's the other dog? Is that you? Ito ba yung aso namin? Ito ba yung aso namin? Is that you? Let me see. Ha? Sa inyo to? Ito ba yung aso? What the fuck? Hindi ko kasi kilala eh. Is that you? Let me see your face. Pero hindi sa inyo to. Ah, sige. Thank you. Hindi ko kasi kilala yung aso namin eh. Nakawala kasi. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't sign up for this. Oh, why are you crawling? That's not her? Oh my god. Fuck. Fuck. Yeah, go hug him. That's why I can't have dogs. So, alam niyo meron akong toy car, right? And hindi siya pwede i-drive sa highway and something like that. In short, it's an illegal car type shit, you know what I'm saying? But, meron na usong trend sa TikTok na type shit, yo. May type shit na nauso. Oh my God. And tinry ko siya sa toy car ko. And oh my God. It looks far, but wala kasi akong maayos na picture ng toy car ko. So, ito lang yung pinakamaayos na picture. Galing pa siya sa video. So, hindi pa to final. Gagawa pa ako ng ibang shit pa. Pipicturean ko ng maayos na toy car para magawa natin ito ng maayos. Ay, pinapakita ko to sa inyo. But, damn! But, I'ma show you kung ano yung ginawa ko. Wait. Montage video So, parang in-screenshot ko lang. Tapos, nag-prompt ko ng make my car look like rolling in the highway and use 32-72mm f2 lens. Tashi! And tingnan nyo yung ginawa ng ChatGPT, y'all. Tingnan nyo. Ooh! Oh my God, not bad though, not bad. Yeah, fuck with it, y'all. Fuck with it. Mukha talaga siyang toy car, y'all. But, yeah, y'all, see that? I hate period crumbs. Tashi! And then, of course, oh my God, the shock, the muffler, oh my God. Same sa picture. Y'all see that? From this. Wait, y'all, let me zoom real quick, right? From that to this shit. Oh my God, yeah, fuck with it. Y'all, fuck with it. Pero mas maganda kung patagilid yung picture, something like that. Yung kita yung gilid ng kotse para mas maganda yung rolling shot. Pero gagawin ko yun next time. Kaso wala pa talaga akong picture ng toy car na sa gilid type shit. So, yeah. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung trend na ganito sa TikTok. So, tinry ko sa toy car and, oh my God, it really looks fun, y'all. Yeah, fuck with it, y'all. Fuck with it. Hate period crumbs, y'all. I'm a feminist, so I hate period crumbs. Type shit.
Where your roid at? Bitch, you lagging out shit. You think they capping out